This GB WhatsApp is insane. You'll love it so much. Today, we are going to install it perfectly. Before we dive in, let me give a quick shout out. If you are from Pakistan, welcome. If you are from Indonesia, welcome. If you are from India, welcome. If you are from Morocco, welcome. If you are from Iraq, welcome. I'm from Haiti. Tell me where you're watching from. Let's get started. Before downloading the WhatsApp, there are two important settings we have to deactivate. If you miss this step, you may encountering problems doing installation. For the first setting, go to your phone's settings, scroll down until you find security and privacy. Tap on it and then deactivate auto blocker. For the second setting, go to Play Store and then we are going to deactivate Play Protect. Once done, go back. Now, don't miss this step. It's very important. Check out the download link in the comment section. You'll enter my Telegram channel. Once you're in, tap on the latest GB WhatsApp version. This new page will appear. Scroll down until you find GB WhatsApp. Tap on it right here. Guys, don't miss any step. Watch carefully. Tap on download now and then tap on download. Once it finishes downloading, go back, open your file's manager and then tap on it to install it. It's very interesting, guys. This new step is very important. Go to your phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps, click on GB WhatsApp, tap on notifications, enable it, then go back, tap on permissions, give it all the necessary permissions. This step is very important. Take your time to do it right. Okay guys, after giving it all the necessary permissions, go back. Now we are going to open it. Enable this, go back, tap on allow all and then click on agree and continue. Tap on the three dots at the top right and then link as companion device. Now take a photo of this QR code. Once done, go back. Now open the official WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the three dots at the top right. Click on linked devices. Now tap on link a device. Now take the other phone to scan the recent QR code. Okay, once done, go back. Open the GB WhatsApp. As you can see, you have the latest GB WhatsApp installed on your phone. Like this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Take care.